good morning. I've seen all the comments. What does Ron look like? Why do we only see the back of his head? All right, that's not what happened, but here I am. Hi. We're doing a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. We're adding a prox key. I did automatic select, or automatic selection, read the car. Here's the new key. It is the F2000 from Noble Key Supply. We're gonna go smart key. This is a 2017, so I can't use the dongle to get the pin and the key code, so we're gonna have to read it from the car. Read immobilizer password. Reading this pin can take quite a while. Knowing which one of these to select cuts it down. This is an A to A. I read the key. Yes. Turn the hazard lights on. Turn the ignition off. Open and close the door. So like I said, this can take a pretty good while. So I'm going to pause this here, go duplicate his key, and come back hopefully with the password. We are back. There's my password. That took a good 5 minutes. 195515. So we're going to go back to keyless system, remote control learning. It's going to give me the message that I need to put both keys back in when we get in there. Smart key learning. There it is. We'll erase all existing keys. It's just saying you got to program the original key back. You're going to lose it. All that is done. 195515. Alright, hit OK, push the button with the key. Put this down here so we can see the lights, and cover up the other key. Alright, OK, push the button, launch your security lights. I don't know why it said that, it never does that. Programming succeeded. Would you like to program the next one? Yes, I would. Same process, hit OK, hold the button down. That's going to say programming succeeded. Number of keys 2. Please exit the system. The limit on Hyundai Kia is 2 keys, strangely, so that's all you can do. So that's that, and we are done here. We're going to test these remotes. This battery is dead. I'll change that for him. 9. Garbage truck. Start it up. Good to go. We're just going to change the battery in his key so his remote works again and get out of here.